Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. I hope you all are doing very well. So today we are going to learn about the physical topologies of the computer networks. So the term topology refers to the way in which a network is laid out physically. Physical topology का मतलब होता है कि हमारा जो नेटवर्क का layout हो वो किस फॉर्म में होगा. The input output और more devices connect to a link. जो input output devices होती हैं वो एक लिंक से कनेक्ट होती हैं या फिर दो या दो से ज़्यादा लिंक में से कनेक्ट होती हैं और टोपोलॉजी फॉर्म करती हैं. There are four basic topologies possible: mesh, star, bus and ring. Firstly is mesh topology. Mesh topology. Every device has a dedicated point-to-point link to every other device. The term dedicated means that the link carries traffic only between the two devices it connects. Node 1 must be connected to N1 nodes, node 2 must be connected to N-1 nodes, and finally node N must be connected to the N-1 nodes and need N-1 physical links. However, if each physical link allows communication in both directions, the number of links needed are N-1 by 2. So this is the block diagram of the star topology. Advantages: the use of dedicated links guarantee that each connection can carry its own data loads, thus eliminating the traffic problems that can occur when the links must be shared by multiple devices. A mesh topology is robust. If one link becomes unusable, it must be encapsulate the entire system. There is the advantage of privacy or security. When every message travels along a dedicated line, only in the intended recipient sees it. Point to point links make fault identification and the fault isolation easy. The disadvantages of the mesh topology is that the amount of cabling and the number of input output ports required, the sheer bulk of the wiring can be greater than the available space can accommodate. The hardware required to connect each link can be prohibitively expensive. Star topology. In a star topology, each device has a connected point to point link only to a central controller, usually called a hub. The devices are not directly linked to one another. Unlike a mesh topology, a star topology does not allow direct traffic between the devices. The controller acts as an exchange. If one device wants to send data to another, it sends the data to the controller, and when they release the data to the other connected devices. Advantages: the star topology is less expensive than the mesh topology. In a star, each device needs only one link and one I/O port to connect it to any number of ports. This factor also makes it easy to install and reconfigure. Far less cabling needs to be housed, and additions, moves, and deletions involve only one connection between the device and the hub. Other advantages include robustness. If one link falls, only that link is affected, all other links remains active. Disadvantages: the dependencies of the whole topology on one single point, the hub. If the hub goes down, the whole system is dead. Although a star requires far less cable than a mesh, each node must be linked to a central hub. Bus topology. The preceding examples all describe point to point connections. A bus topology, on the other hand, is multi point. One long cable acts as a backbone to link all the devices in a network. As a single travels all the backbone, some of its energy is transformed into heat, therefore it becomes weaker and weaker as it travels farther and farther. Advantages are bus topologies include ease of installation, bus uses less cabling than mesh or star topology. Disadvantages are difficult reconnections and the fault isolation, and the fault or break in the bus cable stops all transmissions even between devices on the same side of the problem. The ring topology. Ring topology is a ring topology Each device has dedicated point-to-point connections. Only when the two devices on either side of it a signal is passed along the ring in one direction from device to device until it reaches its destination. Advantages is that the ring is relatively easy to install and reconfigure the fault isolation. And disadvantages are that unidirectional traffic can be a disadvantage in a simple ring. A break in the ring can disable the entire work. And another is hybrid. A network can be hybrid. For example, we can have a main star topology with each branch connecting several stations in a bus topology. So this is the block diagram of the bus topology. Means it's in that all the servers, sorry, all the clients are connected to a server in the hybrid topology. So that's all for the today. Thank you so much. I hope you like the video.